Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Google Forms with your form open. Select the specific question you want to enhance. Once selected, the question card becomes active, and you see the toolbar on the right of the question. Click the three-dot menu or the question settings to reveal extra fields like description. You're doing this to give context, reduce confusion, and improve response quality. Make sure to keep the question selected so the description attaches to the right field. Once the description box is visible, type concise instructions or examples that clarify the expected answer. This reduces errors and improves data quality. You can include character limits, formatting hints, or sample responses. Keep sentences short and direct. Make sure to avoid sensitive data in the description, and if you need emphasis, use capitalization or punctuation rather than long paragraphs. After typing, click outside the field to save automatically. The form preserve. Finish by previewing the form to see how the description looks to respondents. This step shows whether the instruction reads naturally on different devices. If the text seems crowded, shorten it or move examples to a separate question. Once done, test submission to ensure no validation issues arise. If the description doesn't appear, reselect the question and reopen the description field, or refresh the page. Sometimes the editor needs a reload to display recent changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.